In this video, I'm going to be discussing the Create Layout Preview button in the Layout Designer for Easy Composites. What this button will do is just create a quick preview of what the layout is going to look like after it's created, or at least the spacing of the image slots. That will save you a lot of time because this is very quick to create. So if something doesn't look right, you can make changes before waiting for your entire layout to build. So the order in which you want to do things is first look at the calculations and make sure everything looks good in these numbers, because these update as you're changing your settings. And once you think these look good, then create your layout preview. And then finally, once it looks like what you want, then create your actual layout. And creating the actual layout will take more time because it's got to build all of the text layers and the smart objects and then move those all into place. So it's takes more time. And if something doesn't look right, then you spend a lot of time building it just to have to undo and rebuild. So okay, the last thing to point out is that in your layout preview, this is not just the space of your image. This is your image plus the border plus the text. It's showing you the complete space. So just to quickly demonstrate that here, I'll copy and paste that layout preview onto our actual layout that it made. And if we look at, you see the layout preview here, you can see that the edges of that are the bottom of the text to the top, and it does include the stroke border around the images. So that's going to show you what your actual spacing is going to be. Anyway, not a lot to really talk about with this. It's pretty simple. It just creates you a quick layout. Like we can see, we just did that again in just a few seconds.